my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, hey, welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me again. I really do appreciate the support. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I install this highlighted straight wig. If you would like to see that, then keep on watching, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So the hair I'll be using today is from Dreamlight Hair. Inside the box I received a scrunchie, a pair of lashes. I believe these are synthetic lashes. Then we have some wig caps, and then finally the hair. This hair is a straight highlighted wig. It is 22 inches, and this is how it looks coming straight out of the box. So the wig is standard construction, 3 combs in the top and 1 in the back, elastic band straps. Surprisingly, this hair did not have a lot of shedding or any shedding at all, really, even though it is a bleached wig. So I'm happy with that. I started to actually pluck this center part so that it is a bit wider. So here I'm just using alcohol to clean my scalp so that it's not greasy, and then I use some Got2b gel to slick my edges back and then put my stocking cap on. So this is the hair after I've washed it. It still looks pretty good and shiny. I used some foundation to put onto my lace so that it is closer to my skin tone, and also put some foundation on my stocking cap as well. So here I just slit the lace of the frontal so that it is easier to work with. It's best to work in smaller sections so that you don't have a lot of mess when applying your wig. Sometimes the wig can be a little too large for your head, so you have to go ahead and cut the ear tab so that it fits perfectly behind your ears. Gratefully, this was not very big for me, just a tad bit, so I had to cut a little piece off. So here I'm now just applying some Got2b Goo gel onto my skin so I can lay the lace in sections, and then I dry it to a tacky state. Always use cool air and not hot hair. For extra security, I use some Got2b freezing spray on top of the lace, and then I dry again using cool air. So I use the cool setting from my blow dryer. Repeated the same steps on each section of the frontal, and then I tied an elastic band around the edges just to secure and make sure that the hair lays flat. Here I'm just using some edge wax stick in order to lay the hair backwards, and then use my hot comb to pull it backwards so that it's flat and in place and there are less flyaways. And then to cut the lace, I use an eyebrow razor. You can always use a scissor, but make sure to cut in a zigzag motion and not straight across so that it doesn't look so blunt across the front. tiny baby hairs just at the two sides and take a little bit out at the sideburn area, and then I use some molding wrap in mousse in order to set it in place. So I just put some foundation on the tail of my comb, and then I put it inside the part to define it a bit. So guys, this is the final look. We have reached the end of this video. If you have reached this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Bye lovelies. Mwah.